Hey guys, so welcome to Gerard's Golden Mapping. So the first thing that you guys need to know right now is we are having a weekly level of support at this red line over here at 1690.33. So as long as the weekly time frame plays along this line, it wants to drop, it wants to fly, it wants to do whatever, as long as it stays above this red line, we are still focusing on the bullish momentum that price can give us, right? But as long as it does not break this level, and if it breaks this level, let's just say that the candlestick closes below 1690.3, and then there might be still sellers in the market to push price down. Until that happens, I'm still going to be focusing on the buys. So for me, when I look at it today, daily time frame, it is just a normal zone. H4 time frame, it is just a normal zone as well. H1, I would say there isn't much of a buy yet. The only reason why we are buying right now is just due to the fact that we have a buy setup from the M15. So this is our level of support, which is at 1690.98. So that is our first level of support. So that's what I said, that from this moment, it could retest the low and it could also retest the lower zone. But that would mean that we will be floating around 20 to 30 pips. But I give the buy signal because it could reject higher and it could already fly all the way up, at least touching 1697, which is around 30 pips, I think. Correct, 35 pips. So that is the first point it needs to reach, because from that moment there is a potential area that we have to beware, because if this area is being respected, we might see price rejecting back again from this zone, rejecting down to the M15 sells buy. So that's why the first take profit, we have to break even and take some of our profits and break even our trades. It's very important, because if you don't do that, price retrace and you might be in trouble. And why do I say that? If it actually comes back into this zone, it's better to be on a break even. It's because that if price wants to reject from here down back to this area, right, it rather just retrace all the way back down here, and we can buy lower than our first entry. Okay, so target wise for M15, if this setup is being validated from 1690.93, my target for this M15 is still at 1712. So it could push price all the way back up again if this setup is a valid buy. Alright, and also from the M1, when I was sending the setup earlier, there was this buy setup. So basically what happened is that we had this bullish movement, and then price retraced once, price rejected that area, and then price retraced again. So that means that this was the second buy that we have given earlier. But bear in mind that this M1 has the potential to retrace to the lowest support of M1, which is at this level. This support level is at 1692.46. But anyways, if it retraces, we are having our buys over here, and we are buying based on two time frames, M15 and M1. Alright, so that's the updates for now, and if there's any new ones, I'll send you guys soon. Alright, thank you guys.